Hello YouTube and welcome to a new Techsloth video. I had already the chance to unbox a brand new Huawei Mate 20 Pro device, and I had also the chance to check out the device a couple of days earlier. So I got this original selling box of the new Mate 20 Pro in, of course, the emerald green color. And at the sides you can see every other color, at least the 4 colors that will be released here in Europe. We got the blue version, the black version. Black looks more like gray, and the new twilight color with more black in it. But the green version and the blue version get this textured backside, so you can really feel something in the glass. So that's not that slippery. Not that the other Mate 20 Pro colors are slippery, but it's a little bit rougher and better to hold in your hand, because the Mate 20 Pro is definitely a slim, sleek device. Here and there you think about it as maybe as a Samsung Galaxy S9 Plus with a notch. Yes, there's a notch on the backside, but this is first, let me do the unboxing and tell you what's inside the box. Of course, you get a first quick starter guide, which tells you where to put in your SIM cards and the nano memory card. No micro SD card, nano memory. And nano memory, they only did this because of the size. You don't get any read or write performance improvements here. No, it's exactly the same speeds as on micro SD. They only did it because they needed the space. And they really needed the space because inside the new Huawei Mate 20 Pro is a 4200 milliamp hours battery. And this is huge. And you wouldn't think that this is such a huge battery is built into this tiny, slim device. So next one, we don't get a case with the Mate 20 Pro, so no case. We get a 40-watt charger for, no, let me guess, 10 volts, 4 ampere. So 40 watt, and Huawei is telling us that this will charge the device in 30 minutes. You get 70% of battery life. The new Mate 20 Pro can also charge wirelessly. And there's reverse wireless charging. So you can, with your Mate 20 Pro, and this is only in the Mate 20 Pro, not in the normal Mate 20 or the new Mate 20X, but this is another topic. You will be able to charge another smartphone if the other smartphone supports wireless charging with the G standard. So yes, you can charge a Samsung device with this. Even you can charge an iPhone with the new Mate 20 Pro, and this is really cool. There's no headphone jack on the device, so this is a little, but you get an adapter, you even get the USB Type-C cable, and of course you get USB Type-C headphones from Huawei. So all the stuff is in white, no matter what color your device will have. And I have to say, yes, I played in combination around 3 hours. I was able to check out the new Mate 20 devices. And we got an in-print or in-display fingerprint reader, which works. It's definitely a little bit slower, no way as fast as the normal Huawei fingerprint scanner, but it works. What even works better is the new 3D face unlock. It's Huawei's Face ID. So yes, you get this infrared dot projector and an infrared camera, and then you get this high security level feature. The other improvement is on the back side. Yes, we still got this combination or this cooperation with Leica, but no more black and white camera lens or camera sensor on the back side. Now we got again 3 camera lenses, but they switched out the black and white camera lens for an extra wide angle camera. So and now we get a normal camera with 40 megapixel and an aperture of 1.8. We get this ultra wide angle camera with 20 megapixels and an aperture of 2.2. And the third lens is a telephoto lens with 8 megapixel, 2.4 aperture and an OIS, an optical image stabilization. And yes, picture quality should have been improved, and the video quality, finally, it looks good. Yes, there's the stereo speakers. No stereo speaker on the downside, or no speaker down. They built in the speaker into the USB Type-C port, which is a little bit fancy. And yes, it still should work if you have plugged your USB Type-C cable into the device. So we get all the other stuff, IP68 rating, the new Emotion UI 9 with Android Pie. And that's it. And we still have an infrared port. So in my opinion, the only thing that is missing is, okay, we don't get a normal micro SD slot. We get this new nano memory, and we don't have a headphone jack. But everything else just sounds fantastic, feels fantastic, and the first impression of the device was definitely fantastic. So this is it, guys. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you all in the next video. Bye. Oh, starting prices maybe. The Mate Pro 20 Pro cost in Europe or in Germany 1,000 euros. Yes! And the normal Mate 20, 800 euros. And there won't be a big X, and don't even ask me about the prices of the Porsche editions. Thank you for watching. Bye.